I'm gonna tell you how to maintain a successful business right here, y'all. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Your girl not even in the mood. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But nevertheless, it is a great day, and everything that I'm complaining about, y'all, is completely fixable. So everything that you can complain about is fixable. Thank God that you are a entrepreneur, that you got an entrepreneur spirit, that you got an entrepreneur mindset, and that means that you know how to make a way out of no way, okay? God done put that in you. I'm going to tell you right now, if you got a business and you're trying to learn how to maintain in business, that's one of the trends, that's one of the search trends, learning how to maintain in business, learning how to maintain your business growth. Okay, all the growth that you've done, all the hard work that you've put in, who want to let that go to waste, huh? Who want to let that just go by the wayside? We don't get out here and do work for it to go to waste. Now, I'm going to tell you like this. I don't like waking up, going to go clock in, but it's what we have to do for the time being. But I tell you one thing, no matter how much you don't like going to that job, now, let me clarify, I love my job. It's something about waking up, getting my kids ready, nights, the mornings be so nasty for me. It just don't be right, all the time. But every job that you're going to, them businesses have maintained their growth. We trying to get like that. We're trying to build businesses, we're building businesses that are going to be maintained. They're going to last, y'all. And it's more than just getting up, showing up for your clients on the weekends. It's more than that. It's going to seminars. It's learning about stuff, terminology, and things that you had no idea about in business. It's about learning how to live in a different land, a different world. It's about, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. You don't just start a business and still do it your 9-to-5 employee way. You don't just start a business and carry over all of the things that you think that you're supposed to do, or you think that you know how to do. No, you start a business to learn about business. You start a business to really be that, to really be on that. And so if you really want to keep this business, baby, you got to get up on Saturdays. You got to get out the bed. You got to get up on Sundays. I don't know what y'all did yesterday. Yesterday was Memorial Day. Yesterday was February 16th. So whenever you're watching this, I don't know how far away from February 16th it's going to be, but today is February 17th at the time of recording this video. And, listen, I don't know what y'all did on President's Day when y'all were off, but that was the day to get packages together, to get orders together, to get on your feet, to get uncomfortable a little bit. As a parent, for me, I don't like my kids seeing me working all the time. So I already work my 9-to-5, okay? When I get off, I want my kids to see me spending time with them, but I also need to work on my crafts, my social media, my content, communicating with you all, my subscribers and stuff like that. And so it just be like that, it just be like that. As much as we don't want, we want to have time for these things. We want to have time to hang out and, do all the things. We want to have time for those things. But if you're talking about not just having a business, not just being the girl that makes a little bit of extra money, but actually growing your business, building your business, multiplying your business, maintaining your business, maintaining your business growth, then you got to get a little uncomfortable, baby. There's seminars out here. There's people who will teach you the tricks of the trade. There are online courses out here, and I'm not talking about YouTube University. Score.com, if you haven't, that's SCORE. I think it's score.org. It's either score.org or score.com. They have free classes. They have mentors that will meet with you in your expertise area, your industry area, whatever it is, whether it's branding, communication, social media posting, whatever it is, marketing, all of these pricing, whatever it is, they will meet with you. And these ain't volunteers. These volunteers, but these are people who actually get clients. They just volunteer their time over here at SCORE, and then SCORE pays them on the back end, or they can write it off, or whatever they can do. So these are real people. But when it comes to maintaining business growth, you know, it's a lot of videos out here. It's a lot of gurus who will tell you this or tell you that, and you know, they got all of these strategies, but it's really mental. It's really, I'm not gonna make it hard for you, okay? It's not hard. It doesn't have to be hard. It's very mental. Maintaining business growth is literally about how far you plan to go. What do you want to do? How tired are you of, you know, faking it till you make it? How tired are you of just getting a little bag here and a little bag there? How tired are you of working your job and, you know, hustling until it pays off? That's what it takes to maintain business growth. It takes a mindset. It takes a different type of hustle. It takes that if I don't do this, then XYZ won't happen. It takes a lot. It takes not putting your kids first, and I know this is gonna sound bad, but not putting your kids first and finding time for your business, but it's putting your business first and then finding time for your kids. When I say that, I mean you're gonna feed your kids, you're gonna do this, you're gonna do that, but you're gonna find time to spend with them as far as quality time. You're gonna find time to take them to the zoo, take them to the museum, take them out to the park, take them this, because they're gonna appreciate it on the back end. They're gonna appreciate their hustle on the back end when they don't have to ask for nothing. So there will be another part to this. I know, I don't know when. Just make sure you tune in. Maintaining business growth. But it starts in here. It does. You know, it starts in here and in here. Because if you ain't got it, you can listen to all the strategies. You can listen to all the gurus. You can listen to all the people to saying do all the things. But if it ain't in you, surely it's not on you. I mean, if you ain't got that mentality to where I gotta get it, I gotta make it happen, then I don't see it happening. Girl, get it, please. See, people up here driving crazy. Look at him. He got a little Hellcat, and now he don't know how to act on the freeway, girl. Anyway, yeah. So the more you go clock in, the more you think about that concept, the more you think about you going and getting up every day and working this 9 to 5. And I saw a post the other day saying how I wish I would work for somebody that's gonna tell me when I can and can't eat, you know, as far as taking your lunch and stuff like that. Okay, that's on you. That's on you. Because you know that if you don't get up in the morning and go to this job and be on time, then you probably not gonna have a job. You're not gonna be able to pay your bills. But when it comes to your business, you know that you're the boss of your business. So you think I can sleep in, you know, I can mediocre, I can dibble and dabble when I want to. You don't think, no, I gotta get this done, because if I don't get this done, my future self is not going to reap the reward of this. Like, you don't think the same that you think when it comes to your job, where somebody is over you, telling you, I'm controlling this here situation, and if you don't show up, this is what we're gonna have to do. You see, as much as I might not want to go to work, as much as I might be frustrated, you know, I'm running behind today. As much as I might be frustrated about that, you can't say, oh, I'm late, you know what, I'm gonna try it again tomorrow. We don't get that. You gotta still get up and go. So why would you tell yourself on your business, oh, I woke up late, I meant to wake up at 6 o'clock and start recording or get these orders out or whatever, but I'm late and I'm real tired, you know, I'm not just in the mood today, I'm having a bad day, so we'll do it tomorrow. Why would you do that? The math ain't mathing. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. Ooh, thank y'all for timing in. Good morning, girl. Get you some breakfast, drink your water today, mind your business, get you a business notebook. And when I say mind your business, I don't mean in the sense to say stay to yourself. I mean, no, mind on your business today. Mind your business. Mind on the money. Mind on your business today. Mind on what needs to get fixed. Mind on I am the manager, the coordinator, the person that makes stuff happen. Baby, don't say I didn't tell you, honey. Have a great day, baby, because I know I'm going to do the same, honey. This ponytail getting ready to come loose, baby. I didn't get to do my face routine. Y'all see, baby ain't got an eyebrow on, honey. But we going to stomach hurting. Girl. Hungry. Baby sleepy. Son sick. But at the end of the day, I'm going to have a good day. I'm going to have a good day. Because as an entrepreneur, I know if I don't have a good day, anything can go wrong. So I don't get that privilege to just say, you know what, it's a bad day. No, I'm going to make it a good day on purpose. And you should do the same. I'll see you in the next